What's up everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be going over the steps on the removal of your factory rear seat upholstery covering all 1994 to 2004 applications. This video will cater to anyone planning on doing any new upholstery kits on their 94 to 04 Mustang. Knowing how these kits come off first will help you overall on the installation of the new upholstery. Follow along and we will show you how this is done. First, start by removing the rear seat bottom and backs from your Mustang. Check out the link in the description below. Moving over to a clean workbench, start by flipping the bottom section over so that you can see all the attaching points on the upholstery to the seat foam. Starting on the center seat belt buckle area, clip all the hog rings holding this in place. Now you can move to the entire perimeter of the upholstery. I started in the center and slowly worked my way around, removing each of the hog rings holding the upholstery in place. Take your time here and carefully clip these away so you do not damage the foam. Once you have verified all the hog rings are out, you can locate the inner velcro on the foam holding the upholstery in place. Slowly work your way around and release the upholstery away from the foam. On the inner edge closest to the seatbelt buckles, you will find another few hog rings here. These will hold in the listing rods to the foam in this area. Clip away these as well, and then you will be able to fully remove the upholstery from the foam. Please note, do not discard these listing rods with the old upholstery. You will need to transfer these over to the new kits. Moving to the seat backs, remove the upper latch trim by removing the 4 small Phillips head screws that hold this in. Now we can go to the lower edge and you can locate the J-clips. What I do on these is I will take a small flat-bladed screwdriver and release the male end from the hooks on one edge. Once you have this started, you can slowly work this away from side to side to fully separate this. You will now be able to see your flaps on the inside. This will be held in place by one hog ring. Clip this one to release. Starting from the bottom, you will need to insert your hand and separate the velcro on the edges like we did on the seat bottom earlier. Once you have this fully separated, you can start to peel back the upholstery from the foam. Take your time here so you do not damage any of the foam. Now you should be able to take the upholstery off of the foam. Once you have all the upholstery removed, this is a good time to go back over all of your foams and check for any flaws or imperfections. As you can see here, our seat bottom was very rough and we needed to ultimately replace this one. You can also remove any remaining hog rings at this time to prep the foam for the covers. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you can be up to date with all new videos we release. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.